Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, wetin you make me come out today, huh? Abeg, wanna help me share this audio. May e reach Mama Gladys hand with Mama Akpaika hand. Abeg, I go still put am for my YouTube channel. Wetin you make me come out today, I wan talk about two of una. E get one video wey Mama Gladys do, wey white woman dey with am. Mama Gladys, you fall my hand. You fall my hand. You fall my hand. I really dey love you because you come from the same place where I come, Italy. My four couple were done. Nuwa tabe ni be video ni uwage ekwewa amumejo. Ekwewa amumejo. I'm a mother also. How can you call a woman like you SP? How can you call a woman SP? Yet it's an info. Mama, you for my hand. Who be this one? Are we mate? We are mate. Mama, we mate him. As far as where he say 40, better 14. We are mate. You understand? We are mate. When we grown up children, 3 boys, boyfriend and girlfriend dog back here. Why ain't you only where SP? Can somebody do it to you? Can somebody do it to you? Mama Gladys, who want follow bone? No matter, and you know soon, no matter what happen between you with her or Paika. I beg me, I tell this one. Mona jo package Dion. Mona package for one corner. Why am I Dion jo? Why am I Dion jo? And why am I jo? Because wakame katakata woto. Why about the Dion jo to handle ya gui? Make una no carry jo and put to Mona drop leave Dion for one corner. Mona leave van. Mama Gladys, as a mother wey me be, if na me do that video wey you do yesterday, you know wetin my children go tell me? They will say, Mama, me vergo in your detail. We Italy were married, maybe married. Already make na my children see that video. Me, I just tell you one thing, as a mother like me, that video wey dey for you to wey dey for your work. When video you know the video where they talk about. So tell them make them delete am. It's not a good thing for your children to see it. That you are calling another woman like you SP. It's not a good thing. Like me they want my children they respect me well, and I still they respect. Then they tell me say, Mama no fight question cause. I know they do one. I no go do one because I know one way to go bring shame. I know one way to go they go say that they say, oh Mama mi vergo in the te le cosa che tu è fatta adesso è una merda. When you know say if Italo can say è una merda, you know as it be. Mama Gladys now you are the thought so. Just go remove that video. Emma no atio honi wa we SP because all that from where you where you marry work in Nigeria. So stop doing that thing. We carry one video basokba. Una better way a guess him o washa wo mu ya agboria. That kind thing no good as a president where you call yourself, You say you are a president of together a God family. I appreciate, but something where they come out for your mouth, it's not good. It's not good as a president. You know what him damn a president in me. A president or maybe no ladian will know, and stop be shouting. I only ya time no say. I dey respect you really. It will respect you well. But you don't dey comot for your lane. Stay on your lane as your foundation. Stay there. When me I dey look what you dey do. Stay on your lane and stop calling people P. Ima like any ohoni women met it P. Because as you dey do that video for live video, you know say not be only one person they see you, not be only two. Control your mouth, control him in ota. Because if person do to you, you not go like him. You will never like it. Because as you just do the video now the same thing. Now so you say they do for ground without video not there. It's supposed to be safe. You did live video, you control yourself. Do when I got to can you feel they do anything where you like, but it just wait with the see now wait till you they do for live video now the same thing you still they do for ground, which is very bad. As a president where you call yourself, you have to be. I don't know what happened between you with Okpaika. I don't even come here say me I can't defend Okpaika. And that one, me see the come for that one. I don't come here me I can't defend anybody. Wait till me not like where you talk. Now me just they tell you say. So if you are really a mother, you know say your children they respect you because I know say you get grown-up children like me. Go tell them for you to make them remove that video. That video where they talk about where Italian lady they near you, that white woman they near you, where you call Madam Okpaika SP. Go remove her. If your children see her tomorrow, they will not be happy with you. Or maybe your children, you not trade them like that. Because my own, me trade them where wait till they come out from my mouth, they control them. Before they will tell me, say, Mama, ke kaso staffa chendo. Because me, I don't like that word. Me, my children tell me, say, ke kaso staffa chendo. You understand what I talk? And your children, they will get girlfriends. So remove that video from there. It is not a nice thing. Now, skiaf, now that one, they call it, skiaf in it to a facha. Go remove her and stop calling people that words. When I'm here, we will not noka ya jinwin noka jukbone. Everything any no ladia won we get correct. Get this lady president what she they talk for her mouth. Now really something way super. Respect yourself. At least you are up to 40. You respect yourself. Don't let people to be looking down on you and say, well, see what is useless woman, see what is they come out for a mouth. Like me, I dey respect myself. I dey know what I dey talk, what I dey because no matter what you dey talk for your mouth, na person you say no, say this woman dey responsible or this woman not dey responsible. And for you, I don't know what happened between two of you now because when I don't fair get kata for ground. Me, I dey go work this morning. I say me, as I just see her, I say me, I fair talk before I go come on because now night now will take on my work. It not get more, it not get Christmas, it not get holiday, not get Sunday. If I just finish now, I dey come out, I dey go. Okpaika madam, I don't know what happened between two of you now. If really say you get the video where the one where you talk about Abat, we say na Mama Gladys now they pay Abat. I bet me you send that come give me. I want me I still see her. If not true, I go face Mama Gladys. Me go face her. Me be Bini, she na Bini. I go really face her. But may you bring her and make sure say not true. Not talk what it not be true. Because me I not like problem. If not true, I bet me you send that. Video where about do may you send that call give me. Since about say na genocide game matter na go kill na one day. May you send that call give me. Mona try, mona not make una. I mean no can't tell una say mona no fight. Mona two of una mona they fight. Una don't big enough. If una not they understand, a matured women. Una hear something, you not fit carry for me. You ask the other one say, see what I hear or not true. Maybe that one will say yes, not true. Do what you want to before you go come out for live video. Una one starts to the fight two mature grown up women. Mona see them where they don't get children, where don't they friend or maybe una go don't see get grandchildren. Mo kuna the fight. Me I no can't tell una say mona no fight o. Me no mona fight o. But mona package genocide from one corner. Mona not put Dion Mona not try and put Dion. Say na because of Dion now one they come the fight. Mona not do one. Mona leave genocide game. No that boy don't get to you rich. Abba don't give am headache rich. If una say no want dey fight Abat, I go dey hear that one say Abat say genocide guy. Not because of say you una go say get wetin I hear. They say na this one. So una two of una come dey take am say dey fight una self. Me una just dey fight una self. Me una package John from one corner. Me una package jam from one corner. Me dey share for una. See two of una self. Now the same Italy. Now Italy now you fair day before Madam Okpaika. You don't see it's a shameful thing to us. Moyo boy also do well hell. As I dey watch live video, I never see person wey say na from Italy for the come. Na they misbehave, na they make this and that. Two of una now, you come from Italy. No matter say you dey London now. See Mama Gladys now, Italy. Man, not come let me the shame, Me I not come the shame for una because Evani Mekere. Man, not let me come the shame for una, Because I dey look the other people when they fight themselves and say, this one not be for Italy for come. We dey Italy, we dey intelligent, we not they do something like that. Why you pay your moment? Mona no let me come dey share for una. Mona no let me come dey share for una. Mama Kpaika, you dey fight for Dion since Iwa like I really love her. Continue like that because Albert away Nyeri Boye Kure. They do that one. Mona no call use and say miss another thing. If you get that video, I expect that video. Send and come give me. Send and come give me. Me want see am. Because me tell me no name say I no want me a year maybe say about us say person wey dey for Italy maybe no mention Mama Gladys name. I don't know because me I don't look that video. I don't get time. Now sometimes if I get time, let me dey watch YouTube. I don't like this kind of one I can't do. I don't like can. Make una stay in my lane. Mama Gladys, stay your lane. That's your foundation way they do. Continue. Continue. No come bend, come off another corner, make you go on another side. If you see, you get one video where you talk about this lady, Igbinedion daughter. If you go see how many people were watching for my YouTube, they hail you. So so don't just come they do all this kind of thing. If you can't change, I don't like you, because as you marry Italian man, and me I marry Italian person, I see person where still marry the same person, Italian person like me. So I they love you like that. No can't change. If you change this kind of thing, I don't like her. You like and you say you be president of Together God family. Continue like that. Do that. All those people where they call you say, now so they bring me money, now so they not bring me. Tell them say they buy ticket, make they go Nigeria. What be all this one? What you they do now? Now foundation. Continue that one. No go another side. Who just call you say, Mama, my sister or my guy say, tell them say the advice where I will give you, buy ticket, go Nigeria. Not be everybody will come Europe, now they make them. You know what I mean? I beg, I see the talk of Mama Gladys. That video, tell them make they remove her. Or let's say your children they not they respect you, now you go leave her for them. Calling another woman P, Ima like ye. Ima like for live video. Egbe very on your mama. Mata or honke nata. Egbe very on your market. Because I'll tie that way, like so now this little thing I say me I can't talk, especially say Mona not put Dion. Mona not put time. Why mwejo? Even the bunny why call here why call zo boy. Mona not put time. If una want fight, two of una want fight, make una fight. Me, your touchable mama no can't tell una say Mona no fight. Because one say we be age mates. When imagine you can do a lot of where die in him your back, you do a little money home. Am I a stupid woman? You know what my children will tell me, girl say, que cavolo sta facendo, ma? Per favore, entra in casa. I beg, which kind of nonsense be all this one? When I know what me they fight, put I know the line, maybe person they oppress another person. He may work be na job equal, and I said still they fight, say I don't want make family issue, they call live video. Emma, if they destroy. Una know. So na be that one. If una want fight, mona carry go, mona dey fight. If una don't fight, who win go enter us. Since una no want use una brain. They say a fool at 40 is fool forever. Atu na hear what they talk so. Be kaya mi wafo. All those small children, let me they see una finish. People will never even reach 30 years. They see una finish anyhow. Grown up lady like you people. Now if your friend don't hold or your friend don't be una call them misbehave for live video. I dey shame for una. I dey shame for una. Now little thing I say me I just tell una. If you enter una head, may enter. If you not enter now, no more na fight. Was a genocide guy. Mama Gladys, I still repeat am, go delete that video. If you are a responsible lady, go delete am. Mama Kpaika, I dey expect you for that video where you say you hear say na Mama Gladys na dey pay her back. Send am come give me. I want see am. From untouchable mama, remember.